Hello, Jorge here, and in this video I just want to show you how am I doing with lead magnet IQ, how I'm bringing all these leads, and what do I do with actually with these leads, because the thing is that you need to build a little infrastructure in order to make it work. So let's go to my screen, and I'm gonna show you some of my testings here. As you can see, the opt-in pages. This is the visits I had, the leads I have, and these leads are going actually to my autoresponder, and I have a set of 6 to 7 emails. I have tried several sources of clicks here, and you can see there's a lot of testing in here involved. All the green are actually leads, people that visited and go to lead. Okay, this is one of my sources. Nice. And you have here, for example, I even tried Google Ads here. Well, I've been trying Google Ads from time to time, and eventually the results are pretty good because I got 27% of opt-in rate. Also, you may know the map program. And yeah, this is my lead. I earned $500 from here, and this is the tracking ID. Again, it came from this page and went to actually the B garage. That's a page where I show the video and the bonuses. Okay, yeah, testing time, for example, I have $56. I didn't even get yet. You may know this, my lead gen secret here.
People are getting
I'm gonna stop
insane
this
results.
guy. Okay, and commissions, I have several commissions over time. This is recently, this is 24. Okay, and I have 185. I just got paid 85, and I have still $100 here. So what I do is eventually moving part of or pretty much all this money to get more leads, whether it's Google Ads or Facebook or more clicks from another source. Okay, so this is only the page I'm showing to the people, not actually, because this is the standard opt-in page here. Well, this is pretty boring. People still want to see more information about that. So what I do here is actually build a member area site like this. I'm gonna introduce here, and I have the hello check-in progress, and I do some promotions, the IntelliZoom that I showed you before that I have $56. So inside, what I'm doing is something like, okay, this area is promoting the link that actually this is the link. This is has not yeah, this is not an affiliate, but for example, 7 minute per day chat online. I'm going to go here, and this is my link that actually goes to my IQ lead magnet and goes to 7 minutes. And if I go to here to redirects, this is the link to that actually leads to my affiliate link. Okay, so this would be the page that they see when they come here. So this is a real page, and it's really easy to do it through here. Okay, and I'm linking on also on the opt-in form here, and you see looks like a real page, and it's actually a real page. In this page is not being punished by AdWords at all. Most of my traffic is coming from AdWords. Okay, then when they just fill this information and go to click instance access, what I do is sending them to a thank you. Oh, sorry. So thank you page like this. I made a lot of tests, and this is just one extract from there. I was trying solo ads and Google Ads for a specific promotion. I just spent exactly the same amount of money. Okay, $170. So with solo ads, I have pretty much 300 clicks, and with Google Ads visits, I mean, this is yeah, this is actual visits there. Okay, so Google Ads is pretty more cheaper than solo ads. Okay, and maybe you're not right with me, but just check the numbers. So the opting in with solo ads was 50%, is quite standard. And with Google Ads, just pointing to this very page, and I'm going to show you again. This was the page. No, actually, it was here. Sorry. Oh, where is it? Okay, here. Sorry. I'm going to go this AdWords here and go to. bridge pages list. Yeah, this is the page. Okay, this is not the page, sorry. This is the, yeah, this is the page actually. Okay, let me go there. Okay, pretty simple or pretty similar to what I sent you before, but this page is already built with, the links there, the home. So this is looking really good for Google Ads, okay? So as good as the page looks like, the ads are going to be cheaper for you, okay? But coming back to here, I have 146. This is the division. That's why you can't have a 0.25 lead, but division between the visits and the leads. I have 190 leads from the roughly 700 visits from Google Ads. So eventually the cost per lead, it was expensive with solo ads than in Google Ads, okay?